Hello, in WarriorPlus, if you want to have a tracking code showing the source of your sale, when you make sales or when you make just traffic, if you want a tracking code, you need to add it at the end of your WarriorPlus link. That's the one you get from WarriorPlus. So it's like this, mine is like this. It ends with /0. So what you need to do is to add a slash and a word. So it could be, let's say, Facebook, for instance. And if I send people to this link, then they will show as traffic with the tracking code Facebook. If I get a sales, it will show Facebook. So in RPM, we need to give our link, WarriorPlus link, to James in the form, and it gives us a long link. In this long link, there is our WarriorPlus link. So when you give the link, if you give it with Facebook, for instance, it will then show in the long URL with Facebook. And so if you send people to this big link, they come to the opt-in page, and when they enter their email, they are redirected to your WarriorPlus link. So only at this point, you will see traffic to your WarriorPlus link. You will not see traffic going to the opt-in page, because at this moment, the visitors have not visited your WarriorPlus link. You understand? It's only after they submit their email that they are redirected to WarriorPlus, so they start to be counted as traffic. Only those who enter their email. Now, what I would like to show you is about the funnel I made. If you remember, in another video, I made a funnel, just a page with a button on it, and another page was about a redirect. So people go to this page and are redirected to your affiliate link. So what I am suggesting now in this funnel, it's to show you how to be able to put a tracking code on the fly when you send people to your funnel. When you have installed it on your Builderall account, then you can send people to this page, and your WarriorPlus link will have the tracking code that you want, and you can change it on the fly. So for this, what you need to do first, you need to put one here when you create the long link, because this long link, you will put it on those pages, on the home page, which is static, has only a button, and this page, which is the redirect page. Here you need to put your affiliate link 2 times. On the Go page, your affiliate link is only in the page settings. I show you where it is. When you go to page settings, you scroll down, and in SEO settings, here you have redirect to. This is where you put your long affiliate link. So on this page, you will see, for example, with mine, at the end of my WarriorPlus link, I put the tracking code RPM Go. So for this page, I put this link with RPM Go. On the other page, I put also my long URL with the tracking code. It's different, this one. I think it's just RPM without Go. No, it's RPM index. Okay. So you need to remember this. If you want it to be simple, just use those words, RPM index and RPM Go. Because then, for example, in a Go, in page settings, you have a script, very short script, which takes the tracking from the URL and put it in the redirect. So it's this little code. And at some point, at this line, you see that I have RPM Go. So what it does, it just changes RPM Go in the URL by what I put in the URL. I will show you an example here. So this is my URL to send to my affiliate link. So it's a short one. It's my domain name. And I just put Go, and it will redirect to my affiliate link. Now, and the tracking code for WarriorPlus will be RPM Go. But if I want to change it, I just add a interrogation mark, TK for tracking equals YouTube. And then the redirection will go to the opt-in page, but the WarriorPlus link that will be redirected after the email submit, this WarriorPlus will have a tracking YouTube. And it's the same. If I want just to go to the static page, I will put here interrogation mark TK equals Twitter, for instance. Or maybe a solo ad vendor. You will give them this URL. And then you will find this tracking in your WarriorPlus stats. So that's it. It's easy to understand, but how to do it is in your funnel. So here, either you put RPM Go into your affiliate link for WarriorPlus, you put it. Or if you put something else and you want these other things to be your default tracking, then you will have to edit this script and change here what you have put as a default tracking. So you need to change it here. And for the other page, it's the same in the page settings. But the script is a little bit different because it changes the link on the button. Doesn't change the link in the redirect. So this is the script. And you can see also on this line at the end, I have RPM index. So in fact, I replace RPM index by the value that I get in the URL, only if there is a value in this URL, of course. So you would change it here. That's it for this video. I don't know if it's really clear. I guess so, but if not, you can ask in the comment for some clarification. Bye bye.